This video will serve as an overview of the Rewardsly software and how to get started using it. In case you don't know, Rewardsly creates mobile loyalty QR code based programs similar to those run by Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts that generate millions of dollars in repeat revenue through rewards programs, as well as gift card systems that businesses can use to sell gift cards on their website as well. Rewardsly makes it easy to generate loyalty programs with AI QR code based technology. Customers can scan their phone to our smart QR code after they purchase from a store, including in the store or on a website, and accumulate points with their own mobile rewards membership, just like the rewards programs of major corporations like Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. Customers can then redeem those points for a specific reward you can create and customize inside of Rewardsly for a small business client that you work with or your own store. Not only that, but Rewardsly creates and sets up gift card systems for small businesses too. Business owners can create and design gift cards in the app and then showcase the gift cards anywhere for customers to buy through PayPal, Stripe, or Razorpay, which they can integrate inside the software too. All right, so let's get started creating these loyalty programs and gift card systems. To get started, let's go generate our first QR code. So say we're working with a brand new store and we want to create their special smart QR code. We're going to go to where it says create new store and say the store name is PJ Cafe. We're going to enter their store name to keep track of it. We're going to enter their location. I'll give them a store URL which will host their QR code and then a time zone, and then hit save. Now for the sake of time, I already have some stores created here with QR codes. And to see the QR code, what we're going to do is click this button here, and it's going to show a 4-digit PIN. Then to preview the QR code, we go to Actions, Visit, and then enter the PIN to generate the special QR code. Now what we have here is a URL. This one happens to be duckdonuts.rewardsly.io that will host their special QR code. So they can put this on a tablet in their store. They can print out this page. They can send visitors to this specific URL. When the visitor hovers their smartphone over the QR code, it will capture their email address, set up their loyalty program, and then begin tracking their rewards points. Now we do have the option here for visiting the QR code that's locked with the secret PIN, or to visit without the secret PIN. So if they want to use it like on day-to-day use by putting it in a tablet, they probably want to visit it without entering the secret PIN, but maybe they're a big business and they're afraid of maybe someone getting that URL and then abusing the rewards program. Well, you can choose to make sure they have to unlock it as well. Next, what we can do is edit it at any time. We can add rewards to it, which we'll do in a second. Add gift cards, which we'll do in a second. We can integrate our autoresponder. So whenever, again, the customer holds up their mobile phone over the QR code, it will ask for their email and name to set up their membership with, and we can send that email to our autoresponder to begin following up over time with that lead. So this acts as a very powerful lead generation system, and you can send it to your Aweber, GetResponse, all the major autoresponders. If we want their if we want the URL to not be hosted by or not show that it's being hosted by Rewardsly, we can enter their specific URL to host the QR code. For example, duckdonuts.com/get your reward here, or your QR code. We can also clone it or delete it at any time. So again, they click this button here to visit and print it out to show in their store, or they can embed it on any web page, as it works with online stores as well. Now to do that, we're going to go to Reward. Make sure we have the store selected we want to get the QR code from. Go to Settings, Set Points, and then we're going to see that it already generated a default QR code. Now the default will be 1 point. I'll redeem in 1 day. I've gone ahead and edited this actually. But to get that QR code, let's go to here. We're going to copy this script and then paste it in any page we want. So say, for example, this is our blog here that we're selling online orders. They can order like shakes and stuff online, and Uber Eats will deliver them. For this particular blog, they have WooCommerce installed. So you would want to go to the thank you page, edit the thank you page for when they get their order, and then paste in the script here, which I already have done. And then whenever they go to order, so say for example they're ordering some donuts or breakfast online, they can go ahead and view the donuts. They can see, hey, buy today and get 2 points toward this reward. So they see this special offer where if they get 12 points, they get free 1/2 dozen donuts that you can embed here if you want. We add it to our cart, check out, place order. We have to agree to the terms. And then on the checkout page, we can go ahead and just pop our phone up, scan this code, and then it will give us our 2 points for our order. And that will go toward our reward of 1/2 dozen donuts or whatever other rewards we can earn through this particular business. So pretty cool, right? All right, so now we have the QR code embedded and created. Now let's go ahead and add some rewards to it. Now to do this, let's navigate to rewards here. Make sure we have the store selected and go over here to where it says create new reward. We want to give the reward a name, a description, enter some points. So this would be the number of points that it takes to redeem the reward. So say for example, we have 1/2 dozen donuts, and then their description will be buy 6 donuts and get 1/2 dozen donuts free. And then for each donut, it's worth 2 points. So what we want to do then is make the rewards points 12, or say each donut is worth 1 point. If they're buying an individual donut, it's worth 1 point. Then if they buy 6, then they get 1/2 dozen free. Then we want to make the reward point to redeem the 6, right? So this is the number of points they have to accumulate to redeem that reward. And then we have this setting here. Most people will choose instant because that means that as soon as they get the 6 points, they can get their free 1/2 dozen donuts in the store. But say it's something major like a fancy light or some sort of furniture that's going to take like 15 days to create. Well, you can make sure that whenever they accumulate those points, like they can't redeem it for 15 days. So that gives the store owner some time to make sure to get the reward ready, right? All right, now next we have to edit and choose our template. Now, for the sake of time, I already have been editing some rewards here. We can see the template. All the templates here. There's a number of different niches depending on what version you have. You'll have more to choose from. We can customize the template here by uploading a logo. In this case, it shows like their donuts. Here's the points that we assigned it. We can choose like the reward color. Everything is customizable here to make the reward look very cool. And again, this will be shown in their Mobile Rewards membership. So they check their membership, see what they can earn, and it will say, hey, you're close to getting this reward here, 12 points for 1/2 free dozen donuts. And then we can customize the email notification. So after they're going to go and redeem their reward, we can customize the email that will happen. So we'll say, hey, congratulations, you redeemed a reward. Here's your reward. And we have these special short codes here, so you don't have to worry about what the reward name is. Everything is integrated with their membership. And you can find these special short codes up here if you want to customize the email for yourself. Rewardsly will give you an option to put your own coupon code in there, or some sort of code where you can, whenever they go in to get their free coffee, they can present this to the barista, and the barista can confirm that, oh, hey, here's the code in Rewardsly, or you can integrate it with, say, your Shopify payments, for example. And then here's where they can click for more details. And then this is all editable. You can change this however you want. And make sure you just integrate your SMTP settings, which we'll go over in a second, to have Rewardsly automatically send out the email for them. So to make sure the emails are sending, what you have to do is go to Integrations, Other Integration, and then make sure you connect your SMTP settings. Now, to do this, make sure you select the store that you want to send the emails from. So maybe some stores, they don't want to send the emails. So right now we have, for this particular store, the SMTP is fully connected, and we just press on this. And if you want to send the emails from a new store we just created, you're going to have to go in, select the store, and make sure that you connect the SMTP settings to that, or the emails won't be able to send. All right, let's go back to the rewards dashboard. And we probably want to create multiple tiers of rewards. So one tier will be 12 points for donuts. Another tier will be 40 points for a birthday party at the store location. So if they get that, then they can get a free birthday party. They get 40 points. We want to probably create different tiers of rewards, just like Starbucks has, just like Dunkin' Donuts has, to get people to keep buying and working toward those rewards. All right, so that's how we create the rewards. Now let's go ahead and create the gift cards. To get started, let's go navigate to the gift card tab. Make sure we have the store selected. We want to create the gift cards for. And let's go ahead and create new gift card. All right, so we want to give it a name like $25 off, anything in the store, and then the description would be something like $25 off anything in our store. We can choose the currency, so this is going to work with every major country and currency out there. We can choose to have the gift card paid or free. So paid is, something like Apple or Amazon where you have to pay for the gift card. Now free, this can work as like a voucher. So say you have a customer that's like your number one guy. You want to send them like $10 off donuts at the end of Christmas as a bonus. You can send them a free voucher for $10 off your store. When they can redeem this gift card and any terms of service. So again, I have one started here that I've already been working on. Let's go and edit this gift card here. Now what we can do is choose variations. So one variation can be $15. Another variation could be $30. So just like Apple has a $25 gift card, a $50 gift card, a $100 gift card, you can sell different variations that will push people toward this middle option here. Again, it comes with customized templates. We can choose the template for the gift card. We can customize it with our own logo, our own image, the different variations here, which you can see. Everything is fully editable. And of course, we'll have several emails. So this includes the email they'll get whenever they purchase the gift card, an email they'll get whenever the person goes to redeem a gift card. We can have an email go to a mid notification that says, hey, someone bought a gift card, so that they know that people are buying. And these are all the shortcodes we can use that will work with the gift card. And whenever they go to redeem a gift card, Rewardsly will automatically generate a secret code. So just like you have the scratch-off code on the back of an Amazon gift card you buy, it's going to have a special scratch-off code that the customer or the store owner can then integrate with their payment processor system, or just double check to make sure that someone's not like abusing the program and there's fraud. So just like each gift card has like a unique tracking code assigned to it, Rewardsly will create that as well for each of these digital gift cards. All right, so to embed the gift card, let's go back to the gift card dashboard. We're going to go to Actions, and then we can visit it, launch it. We can also integrate it with autoresponders to capture emails again. Let's go ahead and launch it. And then this is the URL that they can buy the gift card from. They go here and they can click buy. And we can also, again, integrate this where we can buy for ourselves or for a friend and send the friend the gift card in the settings. You can also embed it, depending on which version of Rewardsly you have, in a web page as well. So that will work as well. Okay, now at this point, you want to make sure you have your integration set up before you launch all these programs, right? So by integrations, I mean, first, the payment processor. If you're going to sell gift cards, you want to go ahead and connect the client's payment processor so they can accept the payments, they can issue the refunds. You don't want to be responsible for that, right? So to do that, you're going to go to choose which payment processor they're going to use, PayPal, Stripe, or Razorpay. And then you enter their PayPal client ID and their secret key. Now we have detailed tutorials in the app, in the knowledge base, on how to do that for each of these and where to find their secret key. You want to also make sure you integrate your autoresponder. So this is going to, again, send the leads to your autoresponder so you can remarket to them. If you want to send people to a webinar, we allow that. So again, this doesn't have to work with just physical products. This could be a rewards program for your digital products. And other integrations, make sure you connect your SMTP if you want Rewardsly to send the emails out. And you can also connect your Uzon if you'd like to use graphics you've already created there. All right, now also you're probably wondering about analytics and checking for fraud and things like that. So that's embedded. That works with Rewardsly. To go to analytics, go to reward analytics or gift card analytics. Choose the store that you're working with, you want to see, and then you can see a special analytics to see how well your rewards programs are doing. At any time, you can also go to your customers. Pick the store, and we can see all the emails we've captured, their phone number, their current points. So this works if someone comes into your store and says, hey, I qualified for a free coffee, I don't have my phone on me. you can quickly check in the Rewardsly dashboard to see, hey, do they actually have the points? Do they qualify? And you can see, like, hey, you haven't been to the store at all. We don't have you in your system for points. Like, you don't want someone, of course, trying to abuse it and have fraud. And of course, you can edit all these people, like get rid of their points, delete them. And this is good if someone, like, they can't find their card, but they're a customer. Then you can go in and manually make sure to delete them and have them start over, so they don't, like, get a free coffee, but they don't, redeem their points or anything like that. And then finally, you can also keep track of orders as well. So there's a lot more to Rewardsly. But this hopefully served as an overview of how to get started setting up these programs, setting up the gift cards, and helping small businesses get repeat revenue to help them stay afloat.